A quick summary of what the LEAP system provides to our customers. We have an injection unit with a high precision and repeatability to provide quality shot by shot. We have a control system ORCA, which makes it very easy to understand and control and program the process of die casting and maintain the die casting machine or the die casting cell. We have an enhanced locking end, rigid pattern, optimized toggle system. We have a energy conserving hydraulic system in order to provide an efficient product to our customers. The overall modular machine design, with its easy ability to be integrated in a complete manufacturing cell, helps the customer to have a high OEE at the lowest total cost of ownership. We have done this with international experts and based on our team here in China. YIZUMI, we connect global innovative resources for the benefit of our customers. I thank you so much for your attention.